Students, welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to study chapter number 3, HCF and LCM. What is meant by HCF? That is, HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, and what is meant by LCM? It is the least common multiple. Okay, so before going to study the HCF and LCM, first it is necessary to understand the prime number. Yes, you already studied what is meant by prime number. Okay, first let us see the definition. Prime number is what? It is the number which exactly divided by 1 and itself. Okay, what is the prime number? A number which exactly divided by 1 and itself. What is the meaning of this? Suppose if I here consider the example 3. Okay, so 3 is divided by only what? 1 and 3 ones are 3. So the factor of 3 are the what? Only 1 into 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, so this is the prime number. If I am consider again 5, so it again 5 ones are 5. So no other number which is divisible by 5. Okay, suppose next I consider the 11. Also 11 ones are 11. So if you are observing all these examples, so here the number, if I taken the 3 which is only divided by 1 and itself, that is 3. Here 5 and 1, 11 and 1. Okay, so all these numbers are called what? Prime numbers. Okay, now second one is what? Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime number? Two numbers which have only one as a common factor. Only one as a common factor. Okay, are said to be co-prime or relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. Okay, so to understand co-prime number, let us consider one example. If I consider, suppose 10 and 21. Okay, two number. If I consider the factors of the 10, so we know that 2 5s are 10. Okay, and whenever talking about the 21, okay, so factor of 21 is what? That is 3 7s. So also 1 is there, of course. Okay, so if you observe the factors of 10 and 21, only 1 is common. Okay, 2 is not there, 5 which is not common factor. So like these numbers in which only 1 as a common factor, then that numbers are called the what? Co-prime numbers. Suppose here I am consider the 4 and 9. Okay, the factor of 4 are 2, 2s are 4, again 1 is there. 9s are 3 into 3 into 1. Again, if you are observing 1 as a prime number and which is a common factor, sorry, only 1 as a what? Common factor. Okay, so all these numbers are called what? Co-prime numbers. So next, twin prime numbers. What is meant by twin prime numbers? If the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2 numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. What is the meaning of these? That is, here if the difference between two co-prime number is 2, then the numbers are said to be. For that, if I consider one example, that is a 3 and 5. Okay, so we already studied co-prime means what? Only one as a common factor. 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, so only one as a common factor. And again, if you are taking the difference between these two numbers, 5 minus 3 is 2. That is, difference is what? 2. One more example, suppose for understanding. If we are considered the 17 and 19, so 17 ones are 17, only one as a common factor, 19 ones are 19, okay? So 17 and 19 are the co-prime numbers, and again if you are observing the difference between them, it is what? Again 2, okay? So one more numbers are there, that is 5 and 7, 11 and 13, okay? 29 and 31, okay? And so on, okay? So these are the what? Twin prime numbers, okay? Then one more important point is what? The smallest prime number. Smallest prime number, okay? So what is the answer? Smallest prime number is what? 2, and which is also what? A even number, okay? This is a what? Smallest prime number is what? 2, okay? So I hope all of you understood prime number, co-prime numbers, and what? Twin prime numbers, okay? Thank you.